If Epic Games is not launching or you're stuck on a login error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. These steps are simple, safe, and work for most Windows users. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, completely close Epic Games Launcher. If it's frozen or stuck in the background, open Task Manager. Find Epic Games Launcher and click End Task. Once it's fully closed, right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it needs to start properly and can fix launch problems right away. If that still doesn't work, the next thing you should do is check the Epic Games server status. Open your browser and go to status.epicgames.com. If the servers are down or experiencing issues, then the problem is not on your device, and your login won't work until Epic fixes it. In that case, the best solution is to wait and try again later. Now for the most common fix, clearing the launcher cache. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type %localappdata% and hit Enter. In the folder that opens, go into Epic Games Launcher, then open Saved. Inside this folder, delete the cache folders named webcache, webcache 4147, and webcache 4430 if you see them. Don't worry, this does not delete your games. It just removes temporary files that can cause startup and login bugs. After that, close File Explorer and relaunch Epic Games Launcher. A lot of the time, this alone fixes the issue. If you still can't launch or sign in, disable your VPN or proxy. Epic Games can sometimes block or fail to connect when a VPN is active. Turn off your VPN completely, then go into Windows Settings, open Network and Internet, choose Proxy, and make sure Proxy is turned off. Once that's done, try opening Epic Games Launcher again and sign in normally. Finally, if the launcher still refuses to work, restart your PC and try the steps again after rebooting. A clean restart can clear temporary network or permission issues. So to quickly recap, end the launcher in Task Manager, run it as administrator, check the server status, clear the webcache folders, and disable VPN or proxy settings. These are the best fixes for Epic Games not launching or login issues. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more gaming troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.